Hello everyone, thanks for watching. Lumafusion 3.0 brought a lot of new abilities, but one of my favorites is being able to do external drive editing. We can now access media directly from external drives or SD cards and, with it, solve two problems. There's no longer the need to copy media to the device storage, and there's no longer the need to be worried about running out of storage in your devices. This just improves my workflow so much because there's one less step to take. After all, now I can work directly from my SD cards. This is what you have to do. Remove the SD card from your camera. Insert it into the SD card reader. Connect the SD card to the device. Now open Lumafusion and within your project, on the top left corner menu, select the Files option. Then add a link to folder. Select the SD card and within, select the folder where your files are. That's simple. Now you can start importing the files into the timeline. Once you're done, you can delete the link that you just created. But I advise you to do so only when you are all over with your project. Okay everyone, hope you found it useful. See you at my next video.